What's up and good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another video. So I got word there's a disturbance at the warehouse. We're about to go inside right now, but I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the OBS. I gotta say the dynamat that we put underneath the carpet right here where you could hear the super loud idle because obviously we had to cut into the firewall. I gotta say that dynamat has absolutely changed the game. And on top of that, all the new speakers that are in sound absolutely awesome. I've been bumping the crap out of them without even having the sub in, so I guess you can't really say bumping, but it sounds great. I can only imagine once we get the sub put in how much better that's gonna sound. I'm excited. But I just forgot that I don't have a door handle still, and I turned the truck off. Gotta roll the window down. Open, window back up. Truck off. Let's go see what kind of disturbance we got going on. See, my roll-up door is up. I hear some music bumping. Chris doesn't notice us yet. Hey, buddy. Did you just enjoy our car wash?
Yep.
Did you pay?
No, it's free.
No, not free. Water is very expensive.
When you have the key, it's free. I run this place so I can get you kicked out.
Tell Chris to stop bullying me, bro. Don't be so
Ryan,
mean.
I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
I won't happen again.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Okay.
There. All right, now
Hey.
nobody cry in the comments.
You look buff today.
Oh, thanks, buddy. You look bald today. Oh wait, I'm not good at this, bro.
Take your hat off.
I'm not good at
hat
this.
off. Look at this. Look at this big ass forehead.
There's plenty of hair. That's all I know. Well, that was a quick visit from Chris there to just wash his truck. Apparently, he's leaving now. I think he's got to go get some shoes and then go get some. I don't know. But Dmax Barbecue is on his way over. We're going to be making a little modification to his truck. So now we just wait. Oh, you made it!
5:26.
Hey, good morning.
Hey. We can do that.
We just act like it's morning. Everybody gets butthurt when we say morning. Well, Chris made it back. He's over here leaving marks on our asphalt. Chris, what are you doing, dude? What kind of tire shine did you get?
I forgot.
California compliant.
You literally bought it like
McGuire's.
5 minutes ago.
What did I get?
From Adriana?
Oh yeah, did you go see Adriana?
She wasn't there.
Oh, she wasn't there?
No.
Her shift's over right now. Or she quit after we hung out with her at AutoZone.
So do they have like a 49 state legal like tire shine and then one for California?
Probably. Well, this one causes cancer, I'm guessing. Dang, Chris, this is the most I've ever seen you detail your truck by yourself.
It's good, buddy.
All that tire shine's
Hey,
gonna
buddy,
go.
come to Happy Wash.
The tire shine's just gonna go all down the side of your truck.
No, this one doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
I'd be willing to bet it does.
Anytime you put too much on.
It's pulled up pretty good on there.
It's gonna dry.
Oh, it's gonna dry.
You gotta let it dry, dude.
Oh, okay, I'll let it dry. So, Dmax Barbecue is here today. What do we got, buddy? What do we got going on? I don't see anything in the truck bed. Nothing.
We got two things.
Oh, we got some plastic. Oh, wait, no, that's metal. We got a metal bracket. What is that from?
From the front of the truck.
Oh, okay.
That Valance got ripped off on the like a little 5-foot trailer.
Let's go show them what happened. Hey, at least you're man enough to admit it.
So for everybody that has a Chevy, you have this big, awful, like lower valance. It's a plastic piece. Most people rip them off, off-roading or having some fun with it. Mine, I was leaving church and forgot there was a little like 5-foot long trailer in front of me, one that's real low to the ground. So I ran that over. It took off the license plate and left like part of it hanging right here. So I went home, took that thing off. If you guys have never had to do it, it's a pain. You almost have to take the whole bumper off to get to it. But I got it off. And then Wicked Customs, they have a Valance delete for these trucks. Most people paint them. I know Wheezy's got one. And mine, we did a smooth finish, and it's going to be all chrome.
Nice.
And I guess they haven't done one of those. And then I got it from Dmax store online.
He's going to pull out the piece in a minute, but basically it fills in this gap that you get when you remove the entire plastic valance, which, well, I don't really have a factory. I don't have a factory bumper on my truck, but GMCs don't really have that issue. It's the Chevy that decided to make the plastic come up around the tow hooks. Even Chris's 1500 over there doesn't have that issue either. Oh, made in the USA.
And then the best part is we got the new mount.
Oh.
It came back from powder coat.
We can't show them that yet. Let's put this on first, then we'll show them that.
So Swift powder coat out in El Cajon, they can get stuff chromed. So this made a trip across the border to get chromed. It's a lot easier to do it there than it is in California.
California frowns on that chemical process.
Yep, so they got it taken care of. Only took 2 weeks, got a great deal on it. And then they also do all of our powder coating, so.
Well, let's
good group of guys.
Let's crack this thing open. Dang, we got genuine Mexican newspaper too? Look at that. Oh, look at the Mexican. Is that Hillary? 'Cause I'll be really surprised if there's no like cartel killings on here, because the Mexican newspapers don't censor a whole lot of anything. Beautiful. So there were a couple of different options Ryan was going back and forth with, one of which was doing it black. But the problem is on the front of the truck, you've got these black plastic pieces right here. So if you have like a gloss black next to the black plastic and the, I don't even know, like textured-ish matte black on the tow hooks, it wouldn't match right. So we were going back and forth. We're trying to find a black that was like kind of matte that almost looked plasticky, but he opted to do it chrome, which I think is going to look better.
Yeah.
And it's going to tie it in with the chrome look of the bumper and make it look like one solid piece instead of kind of blocking it out.
Yeah, and the only one I've seen, they had the chrome hooks with like the holes in it, and I didn't think that looked right.
Oh, this has no hooks, huh?
Yeah.
The hooks have to go.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. All right.
It's a Chevy. We don't need hooks.
That's true. Well, we need rear hooks to pull out Fords, right?
Yes.
All right. So to start this mod, you've got to remove a bunch of stuff. Oh, can't see. Hold on. Starting with the tow hooks, because, well, now his Valance covers up with tow hooks. And then you'll see all these little, I forget what they're called, but they're little clips that go on the edge of the bumper. And they have bolts coming through them that held on the existing Valance. You can see the plastic pieces because apparently Ryan really hit that trailer hard and broke it off. So we're trying to avoid taking the bumper off because it's not fun on these trucks. But some of these looks like we're not going to be able to really access with a wrench from the backside because there's something in the way. All right, let's see how much stuff we need to get out of the way. Oh, you might clear, dude. It's pretty skinny. There you go. Yep, yep. Is it really? Oh. I think if we just break that plastic off, or chop that plastic out, it'll be good. Are they cooperating with you?
No.
Oh. I think you're just gonna have to break that plastic off. Just grab some dikes, start snipping. Slow and steady. Take bites out of it. Don't cut your finger. 3 hours later. Still going strong. Don't lose hope, buddy.
Still looks better than a 2020.
Is that arm pump getting to you yet, or are you good?
No, I'm good.
All right. After 6 days of trimming, will it fit? Here goes nothing. Oh, that's too long. There we go. There we go. All right, maybe. Kinda. Now watch out for that. Oh, you just crushed the beat. Look at that. Oh, I'd call that in, buddy.
That's in.
That's in.
That's in.
All right, now we just need to bolt it in.
There's some
Oh, joy.
over there.
All right, let's try these.
You want to hold this up?
Okay, I'll hold this up. Just doing my part around here. You have a creeper right there. Same fucking size. Where'd you take the small ones out of? You gotta do. Houston, we have a problem.
You want to hold on to this?
Oh yeah, hold on to this. All right, let me do this again. I'm getting good at it. Oh, geez, I got it, buddy. Did your light flash before your eyes or what?
No.
Oh, okay. Apparently we've lost the bolts. Don't worry, Ryan's looking for them. You sure you took out smaller bolts? I don't remember you taking out smaller bolts.
Probably did. I forgot the bolts. It happens.
You are forgiven.
Thank you.
So, I guess we do get to go see Adriana, even though she's not working at AutoZone, but we're smarter this time. We're bringing the little nutsert clip thingy. I don't know what you call these, but we'll get the right size the first time. Hopefully. Maybe. Hopefully. Probably not. So Chris was just here. He says Adriana's not here. You think she was hiding in the back?
She's probably hiding. Chris.
All right, we'll see if we can find Adriana. Or get kicked out. It's looking like a quarter 20. Try quarter 20. Nope. Not a quarter 20. How about a M610? Try one of those.
See where it's not getting past the taper?
Yep.
That's what's that other bolt.
378 pieces. This is the solution to our problem. Need a fast fix tray?
Do you have a hobby?
Do you have a Manchione
Sure.
or a Casa? Okay, screw it. Let's spend way more than we need to. Think we got the right one in there?
I hope so.
We're sick of making trips to AutoZone for bolts last minute, so I guess we'll stock a few different sizes. Probably none of which are the right size. I don't think we've ever successfully done a project here without a trip to AutoZone for hardware. So we couldn't find the right hardware to fit the little clips that came off of there, so we opted to just go nut and bolt. Just flip it the other way. Yeah, you're set. Get in the hole! Washer, lock washer. Let's take it off, buddy. Think we're good mechanics now? Or is that too much? Are we certified? But we also need to cut out these little plastic clips right here that hold like the wiring harness on the backside, and then we're gonna run a nut and bolt through there. So it is a good thing we bought the nut and bolt kit. Goodbye, buddy. Goodbye.
Thank you.
We're gonna be a fully equipped shop here soon.
I didn't want to go back to AutoZone.
Why not? Adriana wasn't there.
Yeah, she's not there.
Going top.
Dude, I thought. Alright.
I'm in. Hey, we're gonna need longer. Why'd you fucking listen to me, dude? So, I just looked at Ryan earlier and I'm like, why'd you put those long bolts in, bro? Let's use the shorter ones. And well, we need the longer ones. It's alright, I screwed up today too. Reach. Look through the little microscopic hole right there.
Oh, there we go.
I see it.
Now I can see.
There's a couple of buddies wrenching on a truck. Rolling away, buddy.
I got you, buddy.
I'm rolling away.
I got you.
All right, we're back. We'll do your side. I need a creeper with brakes.
I'm gonna let you go.
Oh God.
Here, let me get this real quick.
Oh, we got
There's a screw.
Oh, all right.
Or a bolt.
It's a dangerous job. Oh, hey, buddy. I guess we're just gonna shack up over here.
Trying to come through.
Big red down. But hey, buddy, do you have a preference of detail spray? We've got some Meguiar's, and then Chris just picked up some Lucas Oil Speed Wax. I'm not sure which one you prefer.
Which one's the most friendly for the environment?
Oh, that's definitely the Meguiar's Gold Class. Quick detailer. Deep, dark shine, just like your soul.
I like the color, but it's black, like your heart.
I apologize for that, people. I apologize. Does this mean we failed as mechanics? That right there looks like a check engine light.
Hey, Eddie's life. I thought you were gonna scan it.
Uh-oh. I had no part in that. Maybe it was when my creeper hit it. So what do you think, guys? It turned out absolutely killer. You happy with it, bud?
Very.
Oh, did I catch you about to take an Instagram pic?
Yeah.
Put your phone away, dude. It's cool.
Huh?
Take your Instagram picture.
We can do it later.
Why are you turning red, dude?
We can do it later.
We all take Instagram pictures. It's all right. Yeah, I'm glad you opted to go chrome instead of the black. I think it definitely ties it in with the bumper. Looks absolutely killer.
I think the front end looks bigger without the valance too.
A lot bigger. Yeah, if you're going to lift your truck,
helps.
ripping all that stuff off, it looks better.
And then I like how you can see the CST cross member.
Right. We just need to give it a little clean.
It needs a bath.
Yeah.
Hey Garrett, it needs a bath.
Well, Ryan actually drives this truck more than any of us. He puts the most miles on it. You're at what? How many miles? 40,000 already?
39.
39,000 in a year?
Year and a half.
So if you guys have one of the newer Chevys and you want to get rid of your Valance, I mean, it's kind of essential that you have that piece. What did it cost, if you don't mind me asking?
So the Valance is $200. I got a good deal on the chrome. It's about normally $280 to get chromed. Dmax store online does free shipping, I believe, on it. And then Wicked makes it. So they were gonna do it chrome, and I think it was gonna be about $700
if you ordered it
with it
directly
shipped.
from Wicked chromed.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Yeah, so then they've got the option for the holes if you want to keep the factory tow hooks.
I like it like that. I think it cleans it up.
I think it looks way smoother. And then you can get it powder coated. I want to say if it was black powder coat, it was like $100 extra. So then it'd only be like $300.
That's not that bad.
Yeah.
But we're not done, buddy, because we got another part in the back of the truck. So if you guys remember, Ryan went through a little debacle on getting his air horn set up from Horn Blasters. He ended up getting the wrong mount sent to him, which is sitting in the shop over there, but we didn't find out till after it got powder coated. So lesson learned there. Make sure everything's right before you send it to powder coat. But I get it. You were excited. I would have done the same thing.
Right.
Just get it done. So Horn Blasters ended up sending a replacement mount, and you just got it back?
Manny took amazing care of us. No questions asked. Replaced everything. Gave me different options to make it right. So if you guys are looking to put horns on your truck, Manny at Horn Blasters is definitely the guy to talk to.
Woo! Look at that, dude. That thing's huge, bro.
Yeah, it's massive.
How'd you even get it in there? Look at that.
It's heavier, for sure.
It's a good workout. So the problem we ran into with the original mount is it was basically these mounts are made for the horns. So whatever horn setup you have, the mount is cut for that. Well, you can see Ryan got the biggest horn setup that they had, and well, the horns are longer than the mount. So now, hoping this works, even though we actually did check this before it got powder coated. Now you can see the biggest horn actually reaches, and everything should bolt up. Wes, where you at, buddy? We're ready for you to start this install. I got your favorite, some almond kisses over here. So this is how we're gonna bribe you to come over. We'll leave a trail of these from Wes's house to the warehouse.
That's a good idea.
And then we'll get them here to take care of this and get it installed for you.
And then Wes, I owe you like tri-tip, maybe some ribeyes.
Ooh, Wes wants chicken, dude.
He wants chicken. He
Make
wants
Wes
chicken quarters.
Chicken quarters.
We'll make it happen, Wes.
There you go. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna be doing this install very soon. So I'm excited to jump into this. I know Wes is not because, well, this entire table is all the parts that are needed to get this wired up. I mean, it's not even all the parts, it's most of the parts needed to get this hooked up, plumbed up, wired up, and then we still got to get it installed up underneath the truck. It's gonna be a mission.
And it's gonna be heavy.
And it's gonna be heavy.
For all the haters out there, the shackles are also going back on the truck, so it won't be 2 inches lower in the back.
Dang, look at that. Look at that.
So with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button. That way you do not miss out on any future content like the air horn install and whatever other crazy stuff we got coming up. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up, for me and Ryan not screwing anything up today, other than I think we made the check engine light come on, but you know, Chevy, what are you gonna do?
It happens.
Yeah.
It's California compliant.
Good, good. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.